Hello students, this is Ayushi George, faculty of Mount Litera Z School Jhansi. Today I am here to teach you maths and the topic is successor and predecessor. So you all were thinking that what is a successor and predecessor? So now let's see what is a successor. So children, successor means the number which comes immediately after a particular number is called its successor. So children, with the name successor, you can make out that success means to move ahead, to move forward. Like this, in successor, we have to move one step forward. We can say it also that successor means by adding 1 to the given number. Now children, let us take some of the example of successor. So we will spell it as Successor, successor. So children, what is a successor? The number which comes immediately after a particular number is called its successor. And you can also say children that successor means by adding 1 to the given number. Now let us see the example. Now we have taken this our number as 8. So we have to take out the successor of 8. So what I have told you, what is a successor? Successor means by adding 1 to the given number. So the given number is 8. And what we have to add? We have to add 1. So 8 plus 1 will give you 9. So the successor of 8 is 9. Let us take another example. 51. So again, what is a successor? Successor means by adding 1 to the given number. So the given number is 51. So we will add 1 to it. 51 plus 1 will give you 52. Now we'll take another example. 459. So what is a successor? Successor means by adding 1 to the given number. So the given number is 459. So we will add 1. So what it will become? 460. Like this you can do. Let us take one more example. 396. Again we'll do plus 1. So it will become 397. Okay. So now let's see what is a predecessor. So predecessor means the number which comes immediately before a particular number is called its predecessor. To find the predecessor, what we have to do is we will subtract 1 from the given number. In successor, what we have done children? We have add the number. And in predecessor, we have to subtract the number. So let's see the example. Now let us take the example of predecessor. We will spell it as Predecessor, predecessor. So what is a predecessor? The number which comes immediately before a particular number is called its predecessor. And children, you can also say that predecessor means subtracting 1 from the given number. So let us take the example. Like our number is 7. And we have to find out the predecessor of 7. So 7 minus 1 will give you 6. So the predecessor of 7 is 6. Now let us take another example. 45. So now we have to take out the predecessor of 45. So what is the predecessor? Predecessor means subtracting 1 from the given number. So our given number is 45. So 45 minus 1 will give us 44. So the predecessor of 45 is 44. Let us take another example. 872. So our number is 872 minus 1. So it will give us 871. So the predecessor of 872 is 871. Let us take another example. So what is the predecessor? Predecessor means subtracting 1 from the given number. So children, the given number is 539. So minus 1, it will give us 538. So the predecessor of 539 is 538. We will see some of the exercises. Write the successor. You have to write the successor. So children, what is a successor? Successor means the number which comes immediately after a particular number is called its successor. And you can also say that successor means by adding 1 to the given number. So the given number is, first one is 757 plus 1. So it will give you 758. Second is 643 plus 1. So it will give you 644. Third is 240 plus 1. So it will give you 241. Fourth is 449 plus 1. 450. Fifth is, last is 321 plus 1. So it will give you 322. And second question is, write the predecessor. So children, what is the predecessor? The number which comes immediately before a particular number is called its predecessor. And you can also means, children, you can also say that predecessor means subtracting 1 from the given number. So first one is, the given number is 379. So we will minus 1. So the answer is 378. Second is 932 minus 1. So it will give you 931. Third is 722 minus 1. So it will give you 721. Fourth is 532 minus 1. So it will give you 531. And the last 221 minus 1. So it will give you 220. Now for the homework, you are going to solve these sums. Thank you.